Idol Season 2 tini grand finale sing Khwailekha taya wahai kena sini contestants rongni belai ke tough competition rongni bishinti ke sing sini judges rock borno choose khwaika sabo first prize manno sabo second prize manno sabo third manno wahai ke choose khwaika 5 contestants jotono winners pia kevo second kevo ulngai kevo first manai kevo second manai kevo third manai aba hake khabai thikri thiaba asuk sa tough competition bishing ofano tini je ojara ka hamman mane sing abse sini kapal kaham ojara numina hanai te sai nai sini contestant rongno taktik lai yang tang so phaina bagai 어저로 대시하는 넌 테니스 사나우스모 티니 TTAADC 합방바이 오 티프라 아이돌 시즌 2 니 그랜드 피날레 티니 사오 부스 타오 만랑노 승시야 피아바 TTAADC 합방이 버각되게 2 lakhs check Razaknai winner no tai logi wo Tara Sankar Industries Private Limited ni bakhak kai kaisa scooty tai logi wo kaisa trophy Razaknai first runners up no Razaknai 1 lakh rupees check and logi wo kaisa trophy Razaknai avani logi wo kaisa 48-inch ni TV kaisa Razaknai our Razaknai ES Group of Industries Private Limited Buniyagulo second runners up tonight and second runners up manai kaisa trophy 50,000 rupees tai 50,000 rupees check manai tai fourth manai 15,000 rupees check and avani yagulo fifth prize manai 10,000 rupees pari ojoro ang koine yang asini volunteers ang bus kang phane bagai taktik lai and tawte boksong no joto ready to mona play Profit to build on the pison dai jase ang yang opas asine and I'm gonna check nuguman khna tai scooty ni chabi bunukna tai trophies yango logio a scooty boto and so ojoro fifth prize 10,000 fifth prize o fifth position o sabo phaika auro sing nai ne legranai ani yago already sopajak borni numbers to aba keno okay city officials the decision by kaisa koimung sing naragne the second prize the TV 48-inch ni TV abo tini yapar jaglaka pia salne ni yaglo abo winner ni thani yapar rejagnai padi ojoro sing paithak ni semi phalia puila tini winner no sing sinina laikranai bani yaglo truk sing tai paithak ni tai baki details no sing sana bak thanglai ani yago tabu bum sopajak and ajora tabu sopaika no ni thani ho sini thani ho and so ang seni norok side man khna ani yango norok Nobody apanang kana. Okay? But winner declare kainan sigang norni kisa guess kana no sumo. Ready? Let's listen to the audience. First prize of Sabo Manu Dinarok, one suk money. Kabamo bumong, bus kamo phaika, pia. Surprise is surprise. And so, are you ready? One last time. Everybody, Tipra Idol Season 2 ni winner Unka. Bloom's Mighty Ria! Let's welcome Bloom's Mighty Ria here on the stage. And, Hari Odoro, Bono prize Yafana Bagai, and Noina Hanai, Sini TTAAD Sini Habani CEM, Sir Purnachandra Chumatiano. Noina Hanai Sini Sarna Yang Obuskango Penabagai, Sini winner no prize money with scrutiny chavi dialogue as a trophy and the scooty. So in total you have a whole line. Come on, please, everybody. Bloom's Mighty Ria, the winner of Tipra Idol Season 2. Odoro, Beleka Hambai, sing Tipra Idol Season 2 ni winner no, sing prize Yapari Raka, Boni Yaglono, Padingai, sing second. Sing Odoro. First runners up, no saying Simalena, they Sinilena. First runners up, Unka. Any guesses? First runners up, Manka. Ananta Jamatia, come on, let's give him a round of applause. Bono, prize Yafana Bagayang, Nominana Sini, Borongran. Shuhel Deberma, EM, ICA, Sports and Youth Affairs. Sinjota Yafakorma neighbor, come on. Belai Blaka Hambai, Bonga Isini, first runners up. 1 lakh rupees, Kaisa trophy, logo, Boni Yagolo. 48-inch TV, Botini Manglaka, Piaba, Salini Yagolo, Abo Yafri Zane, Bonitanio. And second runners up, Takde Bungsong. Any guesses? Second runners up. Boni Mungai. Ashmika Deberma. Come on, let's give her a round of applause. Bono, prize Yafana Bagang, Nomina Hanai Sinebuskango. Sir Ravindra Deberma, EM Education. Bono Nomina Hanai Buskango. Pari Singh Jotono Yapakola in the Borne Bagay. Bongai, second runners up. Tipra Idol Season 2. Belai Belaka Hambai. And so, Odoro, Sing Taklai, Kibono Kiblia. Tai Koroni Nobo, Tai Koroni Nobo Sing, Renai Hanino, Saito Laika, TTADC Habano, Beleka Hambai Maro, Kibono Kasuvelia. Top 5 contestant, no? जे चुक्ति जे मानसक जरती नरबो कारनो खलाइका हनै बर्नो जे मानमानि याफालायनाय अजराव नुमिना हानाय fourth position Dinesh Jamatia. Come on, let's give him a round of applause. Bono prize yafana bagai. Bono prize yafana bagai. Ang nominan hanay sini borong gnang Vishwajit Koloy MLA. Bono ang koine yang osakaw dangsaw paina bagai. Tai boni prize money no bono yafare na bagai. Swing joto yafa korlani please. Joto ni bagino. Kiabo kata tidi kiabo যতননো जों खासुबाया दैखै बरनो चुबाय रहनानै जायटक लायखा बनि यागलोनो फादि नुमिना हालायनाय सिनि बुसकांगो Nafuti Jamatia. Come on, fifth position and Bono Tejana High Yafana Bayang Koinanai Sini TTAAD Sini CEO IAS Sir CK Jamatiano ang koina yang otang so bas kang phena bagi tayo prize money no bono ya phari na bagi noro joto no nukhana bono sen kebono ya bukta khailia taklaini salo and aba haikino taklaini T Pro Idol season 2 sen paithago